Popsicles at breakfast. I know there's a lot of kids out there that would love it. And here's a healthy version using coconut milk and chia seeds. And to make this extra special, I'm going to be using some kiwi fruit. These are golden kiwi fruit. I want to show you how beautiful they are when we get up to that stage. So in a jug, we're going to add some coconut milk, about 270 millilitres. And I'll use some water, about 1/4 cup of water, just to clean out our can of coconut milk so we're not wasting any of that. And to sweeten this, I'm going to be using some condensed milk. I love to use the condensed milk because it not only gives us sweetness, but it gives it a really nice texture after these popsicles have been frozen. So whisk that together so it's all incorporated. In with our chia seeds now, and we want about 4 tablespoons. And these expand as soon as they hit liquid. So don't think that there's not enough. Now we're going to give that a quick whisk. And we just want to put that to the side while we prepare the fruit. So kiwi fruit, they're usually green, but this variety are golden and they're sweet and just a delight to eat as is, or in these popsicles. So I'm just topping and tailing them, and you can see that this has very thin skin. So what I like to do is just run my knife very carefully between the flesh and the skin, and this is the easiest way to peel them without wasting any of it. See how juicy they are? And that colour is so striking. Okay, now we're going to cut these into 4 even rounds. And you'll need a popsicle mould just like this. So this makes 6. We'll just take the tops out. And we want to show off these gorgeous golden kiwi fruit. So I just pop them into the moulds first. 1, 2, 3, 4 to start with. And then we'll add our chia and coconut mix, and this goes over the top. Once I've finished filling these up, they go into the freezer, and ideally you want to do this the night before or leave them in there for a couple of hours until they set. Okay, popsicles have come out of the freezer, and the easiest way to get them out of the mould is to have some boiling water on standby and just plunge it a few times. And by doing that, it's just going to be so much easier to release. Look at that. And how cute do they look with that gorgeous kiwi fruit exposed right at the top. And I've got a big bowl of ice here just for presentation. I'll do another one, just pop that in the hot water. Oh, they just look so cute. These are a lot of fun to make. They're delicious. And chia seeds, you know, you think of them just in a breakfast pudding, but they're fantastic to make popsicles like this, particularly delicious with these golden kiwi fruit.